Factory of 268. So 268, it can be written as 2 times 134. 2 times 134 means 268. So 134, it can be written as 2 times 67. 2 times 67 means 134. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2 and 67. So we can write 268 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2, this 2 and this 67. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.